Welcome to Tiainen Engineering and Innovation channel. It's now day 6 on the PAKU electric van project, and I have been doing some detailed designing, so it has not moved so much forward. I have made this lower air vent or fake hole here, and at the moment I'm waiting for more details on the lamps because I have difficulties to get the 3D models or drawings from the manufacturer, so I cannot put them on place. Here's some sketches of one look, but it was too vicious looking, so I will continue with the original plan with that. What I have done, I have smoothened the side of the vehicle, and this upper panel which protects the side is now blended to the side window frame, which has nice wedges all around. At the moment I'm in the render mode in the Fusion 360, so it looks totally different now. This won't be the final look. I will apply more detailed skins to the parts when it's more final. But what I have been able to solve is one of the biggest problems I have had with the project, is that how I will make the front doors to the van, because I want to be as wide as possible so I can get big packets out. But if you put here big door and open it normally, it will widen the vehicle a lot, and if cars are coming from the side, you will crash easily to them and it will create problems. Well, like some solutions you have the sliding door here, which moves forward up a little bit and then back. That is a little bit difficult, and it takes some time to open the door, and it's not very reliable, so I don't want to do that either, and I wanted a better solution. I tried to model a door which swings open to the inside, but there it would hit the roof structures and it wouldn't work. That's why, like with normal hinges. But then I got the idea of sliding door more center of the vehicle. So this is a glass panel door, and it will slide front to back, and it will create a huge passageway out here. It will have this smaller step here where you step in the van, and this is not covered anyway at the moment, so air can come in here and go out, but it's insulated there with the glass roof. So there it has some space to go, and there it will slide to the back. So that's the solution. It should create no problems for using the door to the back, because it's still quite wide, that passageway, and it's safe to come out now because you can easily peek to both directions before you come out. Is there any traffic coming? That's all for this day's design. It was about 12 hours of design, so making these shapes with tiny details takes some time. In the Fusion, it's not best for this small detailed work. But I hope I get soon the lamp details so I can finish the looks of the front and show it to you how it will look. Now you can see also better the shaping of the wheel covers. Concerning the side protection, I have now put some other pictures on top of this video, and here's why you have the protection, because you can crash them on the lower part of the vehicle to some poles or something, but also there are stuff up corners which you can hit, so you need the both corners protections from the lower and the upper part of the body if you want to keep it safe. And what do you need to also notice, that it's crucial if you put some kind of protection panel here the body structures of the body should be so strong that if there's some force applied to the protection panel bends back and not the whole side of the vehicle, because if it does like that, like some of the vans do, it's not protecting nothing, it's just causing more bigger fixings to a vehicle. So thanks for following. If you want to keep updated on the project, please follow the pages of my YouTube channel and Facebook, and keep following the process. Thank you.